Hello everyone, once again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly, everyone. Just a very quick yes or no. Just a very quick yes or no. So just give me 1 second because the class is very late today due to some technical issues. So just give me 1 second. Chalo, sir. So we will see the mock analysis, the analysis of the mock test which was done last week, meaning this weekend. Chalo sir, first question right in front of us. Let us start with this. The average of 5 consecutive numbers is m. Next 3 are added, sir. It will also increase by 3. We all know this. So my answer increment will be option C, 3, sir. Again, this is a SSC PYQ, CGL. So we have done this multiple times. Next one, sir. They are asking this. Acha, sir. Always put values from here. Root 16 is 4 plus root 4 is 2. 4 plus 2, 7. No, sir. This cannot be the answer. This is 5 plus 2, 7. I most likely this is the answer. Let's check this. 5 minus 2, that is also 3. Absolutely. Option B, 100% is your correct answer. Option B, 100% is your correct answer, sir. Nothing very difficult about this. Next one, please, sir. A car travels from A to B at X and along the same route returns Y. Distance is XY. So first, onward journey, sir. Distance by speed. Return journey, sir. Distance by speed. So my answer, this is X gone, this is Y gone. So my answer will be X plus Y hours. Sir, option C once again is the correct answer. Option C once again is the correct answer. Onwards journey, return journey. Just calculate the time. Distance by speed. Next one, please, sir. They have given us something a plus b whole square and this. Sir, I'm doing it directly. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. And sir, minus a cube plus b cube, meaning, sir, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b will cancel. So this will be minus of a square minus plus ab plus b square. Sorry, minus b square. A square, b square, a square, b square cancels. This is minus ab plus ab gone, sir. So my answer is 0, option A. My answer is 0, which is option number A, sir. Again, a very simple question. Very simple question. Next one, please, sir. Again, complementary angle, as I can see. Cosec, this is tan. So this is cot 61 degree. 29 and 61, they are this. So this is 1. 6 is coefficient, so 6 into 1, 6. So these two will cancel, tan 54. So it is y is equal to y by 4. So 3y by 4 equal to 6. So y must be 8, sir. Sir, option, एक second. Have I done some mistake? Sir, option, yes, sir, this will be minus 8, sir, minus 3y by 4. Minus 8, option D is the answer. I was thinking, plus 8 to nahi hai. Plus 8 is not there in the option. My mistake. Right? Clear, sir? Option D is your correct answer. Next one, please, sir. Ria and Tanu invested this much. Working partner gets 20%. Okay. So this ratio is 3:2. Investment ratio. Achha. The remaining profit is divided in the ratio of investment. Total profit is this Tanu's share. So first of all, Ria will get 20%. So remaining will be 80%, 4/5 of 150, which will be 120, sir. 1,20,000. Now this will get distributed in this ratio, sir. So Tanu will get 2 parts. Out of 2 plus 3, 5 parts of this, which will be 5, 24, 48, sir. 48,000 rupees, option number C once again. Option number C once again. Again, very simple. We have done 6 questions so far. All 6 were very simple to do. Next one, pyramid prism same height. Base area of pyramid is 3 array, sir. 1:1 will be the answer. Please understand. Prism, if the height and radius or base is same, so ratio is 1:1/3. Now, sir, 3 times it's given, so this will get multiplied by 3. So my answer will be 1:1, option C once again. Again, a particular affinity towards option C so far. Chalo, sir. Next one, please. An equilateral triangle is inscribed inside a circle. Equilateral triangle, sir, looks something like this. Now, P is any point on BC. Achha, this is ABC. P is any point. Let's say P is this point. PAC is 15. PAC. This angle is 15 degrees, sir. They are asking ABP. This angle, sir. Okay, it's a very simple question. Very simple one. If this is 15, sir, this angle is also 15 degree. Why? They are on the same arc CP. You see, same arc, two angles. And if ABC is an equilateral triangle, this is already 60 degree. So this whole angle will be 75 degree. Option number D, sir. This whole angle will be 75 degree, which is option number D. Very simple stuff. Next one, please, sir. Which of following contains 0, positive and negative? Whole number only positive, natural only positive. This is not integer is the answer. Again, no need of pen paper. These type of questions were so many, like I guess at least 10, 12 questions were asked like this in last year's paper. So this makes this a very important question. Acha, sir. 3, 4 is the centroid. Centroid meaning average. A plus 4 by 3. That is equal to 3. Coordinate of this is 3, sir. So A is 9 minus 4, 5, sir. Acha. Then, sir, B. So B will be B plus 7 plus 3, 10 by 3 is 4, sir. So B is 2. So answer is 5 to the power 2, 25. Option number B. Option number B once again is your correct answer, sir. One thing, sir, once you get A equal to 5, 5 to the power something, there is only one option, which is 5 to the power something. You can skip calculating for B. Ramesh can complete in 40 days. Every fourth day, he is assisted by who can, Suresh, who can, acha, time ratio is 2:3. So Ramesh is to Suresh. Efficiency ratio will be 3:2, sir. 3 units every day, 2 units every day. Total work, sir, 40 days into 3, 120 units. Achha. Now the packets. Ramesh works every day. And Suresh works on the fourth day only. So this is your every packet. This is equal to how much? 4 days worth of Ramesh's work. 4 3s are 12. Plus 1 day Suresh works, meaning 2. So 14 units per 4 days. Now total is 120. Just less than 120. Multiple of 14 is what, sir? Just less than 120. Multiple of 14. Everyone. Sir, 100 and 12 is there, right? Yes, 112 is there, which is 14 times 8. Correct. So remaining units is 8 units. Now next, once a particular packet ends, next day R will come Ramesh, who will do 3 units out of this. Next day again Ramesh, 3 units. Next day 2 units remaining. 2 units, he will take 2 by 3 days. He will take 2 by 3 days. So my answer will be 8 packets of 4 days each. So 4 into 8 plus 2 days normal, and last is 2/3 of a day. 34 whole 2 by 3 days. 34 whole 2 by 3, which is option number B. Which is option number B, sir. Clear, everyone? Simple question. Simple question, sir. Next one. If two co-prime numbers have a sum of 35, sir, maximum value of product, please understand, when the similarity is maximum or symmetricity is maximum, then only we get maximum or minimum value. Meaning, sir, if 35, maximum symmetricity will be there if I take 35 by 2, 35 by 2. But sir, two co-prime numbers, meaning they must be integers. So nearest possible integers are 17 and 18. Dekho, 17 plus 18 is 35. So this multiplication will be highest. You can check, sir. And the lowest will be, sir, when the symmetricity is less, like least, meaning 1 and 34. That will be the lowest multiplication, and this will be the highest multiplication. So unit digit is 6. 306 is the answer. Option number B, sir. 306 is your correct answer. Again, this concept you can apply everywhere of maxima and minima. Clear, everyone, sir? Next one, please. Sorry, थोड़ा ज़्यादा कट गया. A man spends 80% of his income. Income, expenditure, savings. 100 rupees, 80% expenditure, 20 rupees savings. Income increased by 15%, 115. Okay. This is also 15% extra. Sir, if both are increasing by 15%, third one will also increase by 15%, sir. That is the only way the arithmetic condition will follow. I don't need to solve anything. Both are 15%, meaning third one must also be 15%. That's the only way. Tan A, A is tan 30. Sir, B is also tan 30, you see. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So meaning relation is A equal to B, sir. Option D is the answer. Meaning the answer is option D, which is A equal to B. Both are equal to tan 30. They wanted to check whether you know the tan A minus B formula. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land is given. 11, 7x and 11x. Length is less. Okay, okay. Owner spends this much fencing it at this. Achha, that means the perimeter will be 7,200 rupees and 8 rupees per meter. So 900 meter is the perimeter, sir. Now difference between, sir, that means perimeter is what? Twice of length plus breadth. That is 900. So this is 18 in 18x. This is, sir, 450. 9 2s, 9 50s. This is 25, sir. So x is 25. Once we know x is 25, the difference between length and breadth, 7x and 11x, difference is 4x. So my answer will be 100, sir. Option number A once again. Option number A once again is your correct answer. Simple question. Very simple. Next one, please, sir. Chalo. Rohan works inside a square plot of track. Achha, on a track of width 1 meter along its inner edge. Okay. Area of the track is this. Determine the side length. Okay. Square plot. And so there is a track. Track is on the inner edge. So this is the outer is this. Okay. So if this is x, if I take the side length, so this length will be x plus 2. Why, sir? Because 1 meter here, 1 meter here. So both 1 meter a plus 2. Oh, sorry, x plus 2. So the area of this will be outer square minus inner square area. So x plus 2 whole square minus x square is equal to 156. So this will be, sir, 4x plus 4 is 156. 4x is 152. Meaning, sir, 38, I guess. X is 38, sir. They are asking outer boundary. Outer boundary will be 40 because x plus 2 is that. X plus 2 is that. X is 38. So the outer boundary will be 40, sir. Simple question. Next one, sir. A solid cone has a base radius height. From this cone, several are completely find the number of smaller cones, sir. Solid cone 1/3 pi r square is, don't put the value of pi. R square is 12 square into h is 16 is equal to n number of smaller cones, each having radius. So 1/3 pi, each having radius 4. 4 into 4, height is 8. So 1/3 pi cancels. 4, this is sir, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 8 2s are this. So n will be 18, sir. So there are 18 possible smaller cones that you will find. Option number C is your correct answer. Simple. Chalo, next one, please. Next one, please, sir. A baker bought 500 cupcakes at this much each. Sold for 80%, 80% meaning 400 cupcakes. He sold at a profit of 30%. 30% of this will be 7.5 rupees. Right? 7.5 rupee profit for every 400, like for every cake. And sir, remaining meaning 200, he sold at a loss of 20%, meaning minus 5 rupees. So total profit will be, sir, into this. Total loss will be into this. 15, so this will be 3,000 rupees. And this will be, sir, 5, so minus 500. So total profit is 2,500 rupees. 3,000 minus this. Out of total CP was 500 into 25 into 100, sir. This is 100. This is 5, meaning 1 by 5 is 20%, sir. 20%, option A is your correct answer. 20%, which is option A, that is most definitely your correct answer. You could have used allegation or weighted average as well. Chalo, next one, sir. Let's see what is given. Bapre. In the figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle, this one. BCD is an isosceles triangle, BC equal to CD. This is equal to this. Okay, so this angle is 40 degree. This angle is also 40 degree because this top angle is 100. Total 40, 40, 80. Now, they're asking, arey yaar, my mistake, dekho main. BCD is 100, find ABD. So sorry, sir. This was 40 degree, okay? ABD meaning this angle. So this is 60 degree always. Because ABC is an equilateral triangle. And this is 40, 40 meaning total angle ABD is 100 degree. 100 degree will be the correct answer, sir. It's a very easy question. It's a very, very easy question. Chalo, please, next one. A coach survey starts this much late for 144. Increases the speed by this exactly on time. Sir, X is the initial speed. This is the increased speed. By difference of speeds is this into time difference is 36 minutes, meaning 36 by 60. That is equal to always distance. We all know basic formula. 12 3s are this, 3 20s are this. So x into x plus 12. This is a quadratic. Don't be very careful with this. 2880. 2880 48, sir. Most likely 48 se jayega. Because 48 and 60 both are there. 48 into 60, sir. Yes, sir, absolutely. Sir, x value they are asking, na? Usual speed. Yes, sir, the value of x. X will be 48. If they ask the increased speed, my answer would have been x plus 12, which is 60. And they ask you that on a regular basis. And many people make silly mistakes there. Don't do that. UVW 20, 21, 29. So Pythagorean triplet. This is a right angle triangle, sir. VW, this is V, this is W, this is U. So UV is 20, UW is 21 and 29. Length of median. So length of median, there is a very interesting thing. Median of this particular triangle will always make, this is your circumcenter. So this is equal, all these three. If I name it, if we given, no, O. So OV, OW, OU, all three are circumradius, all three are equal. So that will be equal to 29 is the whole distance by 2, meaning 14 and a half. Option number B is the answer. Which class exam? Brother, this is from the last live mock. That was live till last Sunday, meaning yesterday. This is the analysis of that. Correct? Chalo. A person invested 15% simple interest, 4 years, the amount becomes this. Had the rate been 12%, meaning 3% difference, the amount would be this much less. Array, very simple. Acha, we can do in two ways. Please understand, both are given. So first things, 15% per annum. So in 4 years, it will be 60%. So 160% value is this. I can do it like this. Okay. Or also you can say 3% change for 4 years, meaning 12% will be the change, which is equal to 3840. You can either, so I need 100%. So 100% you can figure out from here, or you can also figure out 100% from this 51200 by 160 into 100 into, sorry, 100, sorry, yeah. So 0, 0 gone, 16. Sir, this is 8 cube, meaning 8 into 8 into 8. 16 meaning 1 8 gone, 1 4. 32, double 0 and a 0 here. 32,000 will be the answer. Sir, option D. Option D, 32,000 is your correct answer, sir. You can also calculate from here. You will get the same answer. You will get the, sorry, 32,000. You will get the same answer, sir. Clear, everyone? L liters of milk and this much water is mixed. Milk in the mixture is this. Acha, milk and water. 40% milk and 60% then water, 2:3. Difference between them is 1 unit. That is equal to difference between milk and water is 10 liters. So that means 20 liters milk was there, 30 liter water was there. What they're asking? What is the initial quantity of water in the mixture? So 30 liters, option D. Option D is your correct answer. If they asked milk, I would have marked option B, 20 liters. Next one, sir. Kavita runs a gift shop, marks 60% above, and two discounts of this profit percentage. Sir, two discounts. 1,000 rupees is the CP. So 1,600 is the MP, 60%. On this, 15% meaning, sir, 85% remaining. Second discount is 10% meaning 90% remaining. 00, 00, 10, 10. 5 17s are this, 5 8s are this. 72 into 17, sir. Bapre. 144.0 minus 72 into 3, sir, 216. So 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 2, 2, 2. Sir, 1224. 1224 is this, is the SP, sir. So 1,000 rupees CP. This was CP, sir. And this is SP, meaning profit is how much? I don't need to calculate. 22.4% will be the answer. Option B, which is option B. No, B is the answer, brother, not D. B is the answer, brother, not D. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Simple. Next one. Let's see what they have given. Tan A is this. Sir, you can put A value they are asking. Sir, these two values I don't know. These two, this also I don't know. Let's check for 30. This only I know. I'll not put the values because I don't know 3 out of 4. Tan A meaning, sir, sin A by cos A. Minus cosec A by into sec A meaning, sir, 1 by sin A cos A. Right. Is equal to 2 tan A. 2 sin square A, because there is another sin A by cos A. And 1 cosec square A minus 1 is minus cot square A. Right? Because, sir, 1 minus is there. So minus of minus I'm putting here, cos square A by sin square A, sir. This cancels, this square cancels. I can say this is sin A cos A is the LCM. This will be cos A sin square A minus 1 is equal to minus 2 cos A, sir. This is minus cos square A by sin A into cos A. It is equal to minus 2 cos A. Last question is a little lengthier. This one gone, this one gone. So sin A equal to half, sir. So ultimately it was 30 degree only. So A equal to 30 degree. That's your answer, option A. So again, after I get the result, I am quite confident that now if I put the 39, it would have been given us the, it would be giving us the value directly. It would have been very easy. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? This was your last question of this paper. So we have solved all 25 questions in how many minutes? 25 minutes. It's not yet 25 minutes. So if I give you with explanation, now if I give you 30 like 15 minutes, I think all of you should be at least attempting 22, 23 questions out of this. And if your preparation is good, you should attempt or at least go for all 25 questions. That will be all, sir, everyone. That will be all for today. I'll see you guys again, I guess, day after tomorrow. Till then, please take care. And if you've loved this class, please do rate the class before you guys leave. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.